Hey folks, Will Holder with William Holder Realty here. I just wanted to check in today, give you guys some information on insurance in our current market. As you all know, with COVID-19, we're currently all on quarantine, and I have a lot of people reaching out asking me how this is affecting different real estate markets and industries. Today I have Seth Sirover from the Sirover Agency on. Seth is a great insurance agent. He's my go-to guy, and I wanted to give him some time to speak on some of the matters that he's dealing with currently and kind of inform the market and my clients as much as possible. So Seth, thanks for joining me today. How are you?
I'm good, Will. How you doing?
Good, good. Why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself to the people?
Sure. As Will said, my name is Seth. I am the president and founder of the Sirover Agency. We are a boutique insurance agency specializing in personal lines, auto, home, umbrella insurance. Been an insurance agent for almost 20 years now. So it's a little interesting when you say that, but yeah, we work really hard to do well for our clients, make ourselves available, especially in these trying times.
Understood. Seth, how's this affecting just your personal life in general?
I think March was a lot, Will, like for us, like many people with young kids. March really was just a month for us to really get the house set up for this different schedule that we're basically on.
Right.
Scheduling times to get food. We have 7-year-old twins, a boy and a girl, so keeping them busy is challenging at times.
Yeah.
We've been very lucky with the iPad, Facebook Messenger, with the kids, and they've been really, luckily they're the same age, so they get along very well. So it's it's been tough. March really was a month for us just to really hunker down and get ourselves organized, and now we're settled in just like everybody else.
Good. That's good to hear. So Seth, as someone who is a homeowner, vehicle owner, investor, anyone that, business, anyone that's currently looking for insurance or has insurance, I think that appeals to everyone. Can you give a little bit of insight of how this pandemic is affecting everyone, what they should be doing differently, if anything, what they should expect going forward from some insurance companies like yourself? You there? Did you freeze?
Yeah, froze for a minute there.
Okay.
So yeah, as far as the insurance industry is concerned, I think you've seen by now all the auto insurance companies are giving refunds for April and May, as no one is really driving as much. Accidents are down. So insurance companies, all of them have really showed up for their clients and for their customers. They're emailing them directly. We're answering questions for our clients on the auto insurance end, as we do have a lot of people that, they're not driving. So what happens with their insurance premiums? And the insurance carriers are just, however you pay your premium, that's how they're getting it back to you. They do have to go through some different state guidelines, which they are doing on their behalf of the clients, and they will get that money back to the customers as far as the auto insurance goes. On the home insurance side, it's really status quo. We're able to write new business. We're able to reshop for our clients, for the homeowners. So as far as the homeowners go, really hasn't had an effect that we've seen. The biggest effect we've seen on the homeowner side is a lot of our clients, many are refining, and they're really taking advantage of these low interest rates. So really March for us, we were sending out declaration pages, 5 a day to different updating mortgages, and people are putting themselves, people are really getting themselves organized. I think March, they got themselves organized in their homes, as I alluded to, and they cleaned out their houses, they updated whatever they needed to. And now we're finding that people are starting to work on their finances because they're home, and that starts with refining. And now we're also seeing an influx this month of people shopping their insurance because it's a great time to do it because we don't have any restrictions on policies. So we're really finding that in the market. We had a person yesterday that's been meaning to shop his insurance for about 6 months, and he called us yesterday, and because he has time now, he's an airline pilot, so he's at home.
Right. I know that it's in my case as well. You're my age, and I refinanced as well this month. I'm trying to take advantage of the low rates as well, and it's great to have a personalized agent to reach out to get my quotes and get my declaration pages over. So, Seth, I had a question for you. Going forward, how do you think this is going to affect insurance companies? Do you think there's going to be any response or changes to policies to, I don't want to say shield from the possibility of lawsuits caused by a pandemic? Do you think that could be an issue? Like, people suing if they believe they contracted the virus at your property or in your, do you think that's an option? That's a problem?
It hasn't been addressed yet. I can tell you on the homeowner side, we are not doing interior inspections right now. So when we write policies, so we just did a policy over in Wayne. Typically that house, it's over $750,000 in dwelling amount. Typically that would have been inspected in the interior as well. Insurance carriers aren't doing those anymore. They're specifically doing exterior inspections on properties. So we've seen that big change, and that's a big one for homeowners carriers. That's a big one. I mean, interior inspections are a big part of homes in the $1 million range and up. So that's really what we're seeing the insurance companies adapt to, because they still want us to write new business. So they're basically just doing the exterior of the properties. So that's really been helpful for us.
Okay, great. So you think overall not going to be a huge change in your industry, more so a good opportunity right now for people who are home or not as tied up as they would usually be this time of year to shop their rates, get their finances in order, look at their policies, make sure they have enough coverage, things like that, versus any other changes to their actual insurance.
Yeah, no, like we're getting a lot of people now that have been with their captive insurance carrier for years. And captive meaning they only offer one company. As an independent agent, we have access to more carriers. So for us, we're finding in this trying time for small businesses, the people who are really stepping up for us are our current clients. Our clients are talking to their friends and their family. Just yesterday, Evan Stone, one of my friends, been a client for a long time, fantastic person. Do want to mention his wife is a nurse and his daughter is a police officer. So a lot of love for the people like that. They're fantastic, strong, amazing women, and wanted to just
absolutely
throw that out there as well, as they're just doing a fantastic job in the hospital, and Ashley's doing a great job too. Yep. Evan referred his brother-in-law. They're having a conversation. He said, listen, I was with my captive carrier for years. Seth looked at it, and I talked to his brother-in-law yesterday, and he's, as I said, he's an airline pilot. So he is shopping his insurance, and we're finding a lot of clients are doing that now. They're taking it the extra step. When they're refining our mortgage people that we work with are letting them know, hey, this declaration page, looks a little heavy there on the premium. You might want to give Seth a call and see what he can do. And that's really what we're finding right now. And we're just really busy with that. Currently, people, they're at home and they're looking for ways to save. And it's a great way, and it's a permanent savings. With the auto carriers giving back the money that they are, which is fantastic. We're taking it a step forward, and we are, shopping rates for people and saving them money. For our current clients, we are still up and running. Obviously, our company, our employees work remote to begin with, so this really has not had a factor on our business being open.
Excellent.
So, which is great. For example, our director of operations, Jamie Newman, she works remote from Ohio.
Right.
And we have our VoIP system, which was set up by Dave Egan here in Wayne, is a friend of ours, He set it up through Comcast Business and did a fantastic job for us. So thank you, Dave Egan and Comcast, for setting that up for us. But yeah, so for our current clients, yesterday we had a person give us a call. She was laid off. We did reshop her insurance to try and see what we can do. She was coming up for renewal anyways. We moved her premium. We moved her from one carrier to another, got her premium from $1,400 a year down to $600 for the year, which is
That's
substantial.
awesome. That's
So
a great,
appreciative.
that's
Yeah,
a great service. People don't ever think
out.
about that. I mean, you're laid off, your employer is closed and not making any income due to COVID, and they lay you off. What's a number one thing you should be doing is cutting expenses, and you can't cut out insurance. But, if you have an agent that's willing to shop and find you and save you, almost more than half of your policy, that can be huge, without eating up your savings too quickly, so you can get back on your feet.
And you've been a long-time client, and we're saving you $500 by moving you. So, moving
absolutely.
your current policies.
Awesome. Well, Seth, any closing thoughts, anything you wanted to share with people before we wrap this up?
Sure. Just everybody stay safe. Social distance. Try to support your local small businesses. We've been supporting like Berwyn Pizza, Nudies, Amiss, a lot of local. Just remember your local distilleries are open, as the state stores are not. The distillery in Malvern is right by Hope Veterinary Hospital. They're going to start selling hand sanitizer on Friday at cost, which is fantastic. And yeah, if you're sitting around and you haven't shopped your insurance in a while, give us a call. Our staff, as I said, we all work remote. We all work remote, so we're up and running, and we're here to help. And just stay safe, stay sane. Especially if you have young kids, which I know, you do. And I do as well. So it's we'll get through this. We'll come out better on the other side. And just stay safe and keep supporting those local businesses, and we'll be all right.
Awesome, Seth. And if people want to get a hold of you, what's the best way for them to reach you?
The best way, give us a call, 610-240-7700. Again, 610-240-7700. We all love to talk here. So give us a call. That's the best way. Just call us.
Email, website, social, anything like that you want to share?
Yeah, feel free to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn. The website is siroverinsurance.com. We're actually redoing the website, so people are actually going to be able to do their own quotes online.
Great.
Very short time frame. So if they want to follow, we should have that up and running in about 2 weeks.
Awesome.
Our marketing director is taking care of that. But yeah, feel free to follow us. We have some really good posts on Facebook and LinkedIn. And they can also email us, which is just info@siroverinsurance.com. Again, info@siroverinsurance.com.
Awesome. Seth, well, thank you very much for your time and sharing your expertise. It's always a pleasure speaking. And hopefully we get to do this again soon without a quarantine in place, and things can go back to a little normal, and hopefully everyone stays safe. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. William Holder here with William Holder Realty. Feel free to reach me at williamholderrealty@gmail.com or at my website, williamholderrealty.com, or at 484-744-4053. Thanks, Seth, and everyone have a great day.
See you, Will. Thank you.